Black Friday has evolved into a month-long mess of deals, and you can blame it on Amazon. The online retailer has been extending the weekend sale bonanza over the years, and now it has 35 days of Black Friday sales, offering a new deal every 5 minutes until December 22nd. But to keep you scrolling while you're passing the stuffing, it's saving some of the biggest sales for the 5 days between Thanksgiving and Cyber Monday. And compulsive sale checkers will go nuts with this one. Amazon also has secret deals you can only get by ordering items through Alexa. That's Amazon's voice assistant, which means you have to have something like an Echo smart speaker or the Fire tablet or Fire TV to place an order. Just ask Alexa, what are your deals, to hear the sales of the day. So how do retailers respond to Amazon? Well, they also stretch out deals for a month. Best Buy started early with offering Black Friday sales on Tuesday. Macy's and eBay started preview sales last week. Walmart has been pushing deals since the start of November, and Target is going to spread out savings throughout December. But don't be quick to say Black Friday is dead. After 2 years of not participating, Apple is bringing back its Black Friday sale. The company is keeping sales a secret until Friday, only teasing customers with an image of an Apple Watch, which would lead you to believe there's going to be a sale on the Apple Watch, or else Apple is just being mean. Now, if you're more stressed about cooking the turkey than where to find a good deal, listen up. The Butterball Turkey Hotline is now taking your questions by text message. That's right, the iconic Butterball Helpline, which has nearly 50 people staffed on Thanksgiving Day to give turkey cooking pep talks over the phone, now will answer text messages. The company has also offered help on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, but now it can turn your shruggy into some victory emojis. Technology is also taking the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade to new heights. For the first time in 64 years, you can watch the parade in all of its oversized balloon glory without tuning into NBC because it'll be on YouTube. Verizon's YouTube channel is broadcasting it in 360 degrees. I'm Bridget Carey. You can keep up with the biggest tech stories at CNET.com.